anytime, okay, anytime Space Heater comes up, I'm gonna pretend I'm his voice actor. So yeah.
Hey, Telly! What's up, phone? I just had this amazing idea. What?
Everyone.
What?
I love this game! Ow, what the heck? Gosh dang it, you're so annoying! Why would you hit me with that?
So, it's first time.
That's it! Who even knows what a space heater is?
Does
anybody use the word space heater anymore? Space heater is so irrelevant compared to all the other words that people could be using! About how much I hate space heaters! I bet nobody watching this even knows what you are yet!
You know what? Die. Nobody even knows what a clipboard
Looks like
is.
clipboard is out!
Does anyone use a clipboard? No, they don't. Ow.
Get out of my way, scum! Now it's me and you, baby boy!
Haha, thank you.
What do you mean, thank you?
For leaving a blind spot.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna skip elimination.
It looks like Shapeshifty is out, and Corn Popper wins!
Yay!
Hello, viewers. I hope... So, I see we can relate on something.
I guess we can.
We, both don't talk much.
Oh yeah, we don't. But nobody can hear my voice.
Can you talk?
Nobody can hear my voice. Never mind. Okay, nobody can hear.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to pressure you.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Well, if you ever want to talk, I'll be... Hey, guys! You want to see something cool? But if you insist... Wasn't that cool?
No. Now get out. Get out.
Wow. So cool. Come on, contestants! Safe is Clipboard and Transforming, with 16 votes each. I was expecting to be the most liked, but tied for second is fine. I guess.
Sorry, whatever you say.
Now it's down to the final two, and coincidentally the two quiet contestants. What? Why us? Well, Space Eater, no hard feelings on who gets out.
Yeah.
And by a 4-vote difference, Paper Bag is out with 9 votes, and Space Heater is safe with 13. What? Okay.
No, I miss you, Paper Bag.
Thanks, Space Heater. I'll miss you too. Jelly, what do we do with the eliminated contestants? I haven't thought of that yet. Let's throw him off the plane! What? No! Transform me! Why did you do that? They could die! Wait, you don't have a way to bring people back to life yet? No? Well, we might be able to find something at our destination. I guess you're right. What happened?
Oh, hey, we actually caught her. Well, obviously we did. We're too epic to miss.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Anyways, let's just tie her up.
What the F?
Now we can tell the boss that we completed the mission.
Yeah, you should already be at their destination by now.
Yeah, probably. Let's get a move on.
Nope.
We're here.
We have arrived at your destination.
Why do I have to live like...
We're here, contestants!
Yes, the sea!
Maybe there's some more games to download here. Better go check it out.
Wait up, buckaroo! We gotta do the challenge first.
Oh, yeah.
So, today's challenge is to get to the top of that tower and then hang glide down to the landing pad on that building over there. The first one to get there will win immunity.
That looks hard. How do you expect us to do that?
That's for you guys to figure out. We're just gonna fly over in the plane. Good luck, contestants! Go!
Well, I'm not trying.
Why?
Meh. I'm feeling a bit tired today.
Well, goodbye, sucker! This should work. Sweat!
According to my calculations, if I don't win this, I have a very high chance of getting out. I need to find a way to get up to that landing pad. Aha! I'll follow him. He should know a good way to get up. Aha! I've got it!
Come on. Okay, but I'm winning.
Get back here, you terrible character!
We're like you. Go, go.
That dummy forgot about the elevator.
Forgot about the dummy.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Yay! Thank God I'm out of that elevator. That music made me go insane.
Easy peasy. Now it's time for me to win. Huh?
So, I see you successfully completed the mission.
Yes, sir. Here he is, sir.
Well done. Now you should go scout out the area.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to do this to you. I'm sorry. Everything will be better soon. Everything will be fixed. I will be able to go back and take back what was rightfully mine. And I will be able to go back and say goodbye. They were my world, my everything, and out of anyone who could have taken them away from me, it was him. What am I even saying? You shouldn't know this. You better stay quiet, and if you try to escape, I'll end you. That's what I thought. I'll be in the back.
Calm down! It's a game!
A game that I need to win!
Hello,
No! Space Eater! You dummy!
Well, at least I went to the stairs.
What?
That was intense. Viewers, vote in the description down below on who you want to save in the next elimination. The person with the least amount of votes will go bye-bye. So once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned.
Hello, I am here to compete in objects around the... objects... Hello? Hello? Dang it. I'm not sure. How would you do that? Like, I've never really had someone want to... No! Hello? Hello?
Hey, losers! It's time to board back in the plane!
What happened?
Man, you guys are weirdos. Come on!
Oh, he's using the... Oh, he's using the actual footsteps. Huh? Who's that?
Hey, Heat Boy! We gotta get to the plane! Let's go!
Whoa!
You almost got us caught. What were you thinking? I just wanted to see what they were doing. But standing out in the open is probably the worst way to do that, moron. Moron? Who are you calling a moron? You sharp face? Ha! Oh, you wanna go? I'll slice you to shreds. Not before I zap you to the moon and back, you.
Silence.
We sincerely apologize, sir.
Whatever. We should get ready to embark. They're starting to board the plane.
Oh, of course. We'll go set up the jet right now, sir.
Why did I hire those imbeciles? No matter. We should head over to the jet.
How are there no recovery centers here? It's one of the biggest cities we've ever been to. Total anti-Pogger memento. I have no idea. We probably should have thought about recovery before we even started the show. Yeah, let's just hope we can recover Paper Bag at our next location. I got all the losers for you, Telly. Huh?
Can you let us go?
Thanks, Transformy. Ahem.
Please.
Let's board the plane, guys.
Wait.
Huh? Hold up, everyone. Step aside for our first-class objects.
Oh, God!
I can't wait for first class.
Yeah, I guess there's a bunch of stuff to do in there, like video games, workout equipment, board games, and even a recovery center.
Can the recovery center fix the crippling pain in my eyes?
What? Are you okay?
No.
Now you guys can head on in.
start the elimination.
But I...
First one safe is Space Heater with 45 votes. Wait, where is Space Heater?
Meanwhile... This is the life.
Agreed.
Pardon me, but may I proceed with the action of taking a seat in the refreshing hot tub with you stunning individuals?
No.
I made it. I'm gonna try. I'll be right back. Okay.
Hey, you're not supposed to be here.
Come on, recovery center,
What?
please. I wish
Come
my
with me.
peers was having a voice. Ah!
Where is Space Heater?
Ah, so
Keep your
proud.
contestants out of the first class area next time.
Ah.
What? Space Heater, don't do that ever again. Anyways, the next one safe is VR headset with 24 votes.
Okay then. Thanks, I guess.
Now it's down to the whiny girl and the baby boy.
Huh?
The second person eliminated from objects around the world is Clipboard with 14 votes, and Corn Popper is safe with 21.
I saw this coming. I just wanted to say that I'm not sorry. This competition is a waste of time. You are all stupid idiots that think you're better than me. Eat my dust, you imbeciles, 'cause you'll never make it.
Wow, that was like really mean.
Ugh, whatever.
Well, I didn't want to resort to this, but Transformy, I'm almost encouraging you to throw Clipboard off this plane. Ha ha ha! Finally, I can truly be myself. Come here, Clipboard.
Wait, no! You can't just kill me!
Huh?
It was a joke! Oh, a silly joke! No! Ah!
Good riddance. Good riddance indeed.
We've arrived, people. Oh, wow, it's hot here.
Oh, I'm melting! Ah! Welcome to the cool and totally not scorching hot desert. We haven't even been here for 30 seconds and I'm already overheating. Why here? Variety, bud. Variety. This heat will definitely affect my ability to shapeshift. But this place isn't hotter than me! Haha! Oh yeah! Since it's so diggity dang hot here, we're gonna make this an easy one. Your challenge is to dig up ancient debris. Excuse me? What?
I don't even know what that means.
Use your shovels. We definitely didn't illegally steal these from the store.
Got the rest of the shovels we stole from the store. What?
Give me those. Oh! Anyways, it is time to start the Poggy Walkie Challenge. 3, 2, 1, go! Too slow! I'll just transform into a bulldozer! I hate this heat! I would
do the challenge again, but I don't think I want to get thrown off of a plane. Aha! I've got it! Aha! The digital metal detector. Always works. It's gonna take a while to download, though. Better get comfortable. Way to go, Nimrod. How could you possibly miss a contestant? Hey, don't blame me. How did you expect me to catch them? The clipboard was falling way too fast.
Who cares? We really only need this one. And when are we getting to the desert?
Yes, Happy. I thought you took the wheel. What?
Wowzers! Did you feel that? I sure heard it. Maybe we should go check it out.
Nah, I don't feel like it. Besides, we have a challenge going on.
Whatever.
Gotta go find something.
I'm so tired. Where is this stupid treasure?
Hiya, are you okay?
It's way too hot.
I know how to help.
What are you doing?
Helping you cool
Down.
Oh, thanks, I guess.
What happened? What happened? What happened is you were being a complete idiot!
Gah! What is wrong with you Nimrods?
We apologize, sir. We won't let it happen again.
Shush! I don't want to hear your idiotic excuses for the second time today. Now we must quickly fix up the
You messing with my friend.
Stop standing around and get him!
It's done downloading. There it is. Now I can hand this over to... I found it! There's more than one? Hey! Get back here!
It looks like VR headset and Transformy are racing to see who wins the challenge. This is a major bussin' moment.
Yeah!
Looks like VR headset is our winner.
Yes! I need to exercise more.
Dang it. Viewers, you know what time it is. Vote in the description down below on who you want to save in the next elimination. The person with the least amount of votes will be eliminated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.
Stole your line, dummy.
How many of you vote for the comments?
La 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 la. Those idiots! Hello? What the? Who are you? I'm on a journey to join objects around the world. Want to join me? Actually, I'd rather die than go back to that stupid show. Oh. Bye then. La 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 la.
that's it. That's me being Space Healer, my favorite character. Bye.